Hey guys, this is how to link Convertkit to my email. So guys, first just simply go to your Convertkit, and after that just simply go to the top right corner of your profile over here and go to the settings over here on the drop down, and on the left side just simply go for the email over here on the left side. And from here you should be able to see all of your email addresses. So from here we have our first email, which is the email that I use to create my account. And if you don't want to use this email, you can just simply add another email address over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and check your email address or your email inbox. Or if you don't have a confirmation email, you can just simply resend confirmation over here. So guys, the email will look something like this. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on verify your email over here. And after that, it will redirect you to another tab. And from there, guys, you should be able to link your email into ConvertKit. And when we go to the settings again, into the email over here, as you can see, it is now linked. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.